if you're coming from a place of stagnation, it's somewhere on the continuum between yin and yang. And stagnation can also mean you're in an extreme, you're at an extreme end of something, like an extremely rigid position where you can't, or just a stuckness. And so whenever you start to do a movement that's moving you between yin and yang, what I was just saying is it begins to open a portal as it's getting the energy moving out of that stagnation, touching its opposite, coming back, taking you a little bit farther, coming back, and bringing an expanded range of motion to your energy, as well as your psyche, and really to your field, to all layers of your being. You're coming into an expanded state, which is bringing you into a state of more receptivity. And as you cultivate your energy, which is another way to describe, as you're practicing this movement, you're actually cultivating your energy, you're clearing your energy, you're bringing your energy into a coherent movement, then that makes you a clearer channel. It brings you into a receptivity and an openness for information, which may come in the form of energy, it may come in the form of sensation or something in the subtle body. But for myself, it always brings in ideas, insight, clarity. So it's an amazing creative tool, and it's an amazing way to pray, to ask for guidance. Actually.